गुवाहाटी नोगोरमानि श्रीमन्त शंकरदेव कलाक्षेत्रआव 12 साननि हाबाफारिजों 15 सेप्तेम्बरनिफ्राय जागायनाय कालचारेल कनफ्लुएन्स मुंनि मोनसे महर सोरजि दिन्थिफुंनाया सोलिगासिनो। महर सोरजि दिन्थिफुंनाय हाबाफारिया फैगौ 22 सेप्तेम्बरसिम सोलिगोन। थांनाय 15 सेप्तेम्बराव सोनाब बंग'नि शान्ति निकेतनाव थानाय आर्ट कला भवन विश्व भारतीनि हिस्ट्री अफ आर्ट बिफाननि एस'सिएट प्रफेसर डक्टर मेघाली गस्वामीनि दैदेननायाव जानाय महर सोरजि दिन्थिफुंनाय बेखेवनाय हाबाफारियाव गाहाय आलासि महरै नुजाथिदोंमोन बांलादेशनि गुवाहाटीआव थानाय एसिस्टेन्ट हाई कमिशनार राहुल आमीना। लोगोसेयैनो गोदान दिल्लीनि ललित कला एकाडेमीनि मासिगिरि भि नाग दास, श्रीमन्त शंकरदेव कलाक्षेत्र ससाइटिनि नेहाथारि सुदर्शन ठाकुर, आसाम सोरखारनि कालचारेल एफेयार्स बिफाननि नेहाथारि एस मणिदीपा बरकटकी, आर्ट कनसाल्टनि डाइरेक्टर सिद्धार्थ टेगर आरो बांलादेशनि ढाकायाव थानाय गेलारि काय'नि डाइरेक्टर गौतम चक्रवर्तीया बाहागो लादोंमोन। गुवाहाटी नोगोरमानि श्रीमन्त शंकरदेव कलाक्षेत्र महर सोरजि दिन्थिफुंनाय हाबाफारियाव भारत बांलादेशनि 49 मुंदांखा महर सोरजिगिरिफोरनि महर सोरजिखौ दिन्थिफुंनाय जादों। बे महर सोरजि दिन्थिफुंनायाव बर'नि 4 मुंदांखा महर सोरजिगिरि फारियै शोभा ब्रह्म, भाबना काजुरिया बसुमतारी, मनेश्वर ब्रह्म आरो धरित्री बर'नि महर सोरजिखौबो दिन्थिफुंनाय जादों। भारत आरो बांलादेशनि मुंदांखा महर सोरजिगिरिफोरनि महर सोरजिखौ गोबां सुबुङा अनसायनायखौ नुनो मोन्दों आरो नायनानै गोजोननाय फोरमायदों। महर सोरजिखौ मोजां मोनग्रा आरो अनसायग्रा सुबुंफोरा फैगौ 22 सेप्तेम्बरसिम जानो गोनां महर सोरजि दिन्थिफुंनायखौ नायनो हागोन।
Welcome to the show of cultural confluence, weaving artistic tapestry across border. This show actually is a collection of 49 artists, both from Bangladesh as well as India. And what I have, while curating this show, I decided to also include some of the legends of Assam, who actually they had actually made a milestone for the other contemporary artists. Among them, I had taken up Shobha Brahma sir, Nilpapan Barua, Benu Mishra, and many more. And this show actually is a kind of weaving tapestry across the border. Actually, art has no border, but and I wanted to curate this show and also bring it to Northeast, especially in Assam, so that the people of Assam will be benefited from this show. And I really request all of the art lovers to please come to Kalakshetra and enjoy this show. Thank you so much.
महर सोरजि दिन्थिफुंनायखौ नायनानै गोजोननाय फोरमायनानै गुवाहाटी आईआईटीनि प्रफेसर उत्पल बरुवा आरो गुबुन गुबुन बाहागो लाग्रा आरो नायगिरिफ्रा ओरैबायदि बुङो।
It's a very good exhibition, and what I feel thrilled. It's a quite refreshing and new experience for me, because there are total 49 artists with even from Bangladesh, our neighboring country. They are also participating. So their trend is totally different, and I can really tell them that their works are really little different from what is happening in India, and that is evident of this particular exhibition. You can compare and see how they're doing the techniques. Some of the works by Ranjit Das, I like his work, and I've seen the painter like Gautam Chakravarti and all. They're also doing good work. And apart from that, few great master artists work are also here displayed, like Nilpapan Barua is here in my bag, and Lakshman Gaur, and I've seen many. So it overall gives a very refreshing and quite amazing experience. I also like the idea to put our great master artists from Assam. Like I've already mentioned about Nilpavan Barua and Subha Brahma and Venu Mishra. These three, and Noni Babu whose work is also here. So it's a very good. Overall, the standard is very high. So people must visit and see this exhibition.
This is an exhibition of artists from all over India and also participating artists from Bangladesh in collaborations of these two countries. The exhibition is happening in Guwahati Collection Club, and variety of works that we can see: sculpture, ceramics works, painting, printmaking, and also some works that we see and installation works of some artists from India and from Bangladesh. So this is an opportunity of both country artists where we showcase our work in Guwahati, and it is a good altogether display provided by the Kalakshetra in Guwahati and also curated by Meghali. And I hope that we have more of these collaborations program between two countries, and either or maybe South Asia countries, where we can showcase our works in India or abroad. And I thank the Kalakshetra that they organize such exhibitions and workshop, that in future we can continue having these kind of programs.
It's a nice experience working with the artists from other states also, and this institution has managed this program very well, organized it, and we are happy with that, and I wish more success for this institution, and other wishes I would come again here.
Very happy and honored to be working with so many senior artists. It's really a privilege to work together with them, and I feel inspired and energetic to do. So I'm very happy to be part of this workshop. Thank you.